Eileen Veilleux, the fam here. Welcome to another My Therabox opening. As you can see here, I haven't even taken it out of the package yet. So let's see what this month's My Therabox is together. So we're gonna open the package and pull out the box. Whoops. And throw that over there in the trash. And let's see what this month's Therabox is. Now the first thing that I got on top of the box is curiosity cards, where it says follow your dreams and live a happier life with this playful mind-freeing activity. And this is the front, and this is the back of it. Now, these, we could probably use that in another game. We'll see. Ooh, the box was upside down. So now we're going to open the box like we do all the time. And the first thing you get, of course, is a booklet that shows you everything that is in the box. Okay? And as you can see, it is loaded with items. We're going to put that aside. Then we're going to take this and put that there like that. Oh, something smells good in here, guys. I don't know what it is. Then the first thing we have is Body Fresh. All natural. It's scented and it shows you how to use it. No rinse required. And this is what I smell. It smells nice. Oh wow, it's a toilet paper foam, guys. That is different. So it's like a natural toilet paper, but in a foam. Alright, we're going to put that there and continue to look to see what else we have. Now remember, guys, if I have something in here similar to any items in here, you may find these in one of the mystery boxes that I have. And in this one, this is Plant-Based Beauty, Avocado and Algae Face Mask. Skin Super Low Detox. And this is a pouch it comes in, and you can see it, and it comes with a little spoon type thing to put it on your face. And then the next thing we have, I'm trying to go from top to bottom, is Peace Dragonfly CBD Soaking Salts, 200 milligrams. And it says create a peaceful bath time experience with this perfect combination of coconut, magnolia, and vanilla. And this is what it looks like. So you can see it, and that's the back of it. And as we continue to look, we come across this one, Trust Fund Beauty. And this, I don't know what it is till I open the box. So it's a makeup of something. Here it is here, guys. That's the front, and there's the back. And it comes in this box here. Now I will show you, this is the front of the box, and this is the back. So a lot of nice stuff in here this time. As always, My Therabox always has some awesome items. And in this one, it's Therabox in collaboration with alt linen. And it says, break up with paper towels. The next time you need a paper towel, grab these instead. Wash and use them as long as you like. Then send them back. We'll replace them with fresh new ones forever. By using just one less roll of paper towels a week. So these are like paper towels that you can use and you can send them back to them. And it says, by using just one less roll of paper towels a week, you'll save $80 a year. If every American home did that, together we'll save 24 million trees a year and wipe out 1 million pounds of paper waste. And it shows on the back how to use them, as you can see. And this is the front of them. Okay? And we gotta move this stuff here. And then you have Starry Collagen Gel Eye Patch. Anti-aging, anti-wrinkle, reduces dark circles. 5 pairs to a box. And that's what it looks like. And that's the back. And then we have, I'm trying not to make a mess, guys, so bear with me because this stuff comes all over the place. True Earth Eco Strips Laundry Detergent. 1 strip equals 1 load. Saving the planet 1 load at a time. Track your waste through True Earth Reduce. Fresh linen. And this is what it looks like. I can't show you anything else, but these are the sheets. Okay? So basically, this pack looks to be like earth-friendly in collaboration with Earth Day this year on saving the Earth. Okay, and that's it. That's in the box. So this month, my Therabox mystery box is, like I said, dedicated to Earth Day with these products. I hope you enjoyed this, guys. Make sure you check out my other videos if you would like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and do so. I have some awesome videos on different things. I do mental health videos. And I would love to see your comments in the comment section. So there you have it. That is this month's mystery box. Remember, always to see with your heart and not your eyes, because what your eyes see doesn't matter. What truly counts is what's seen inside, from soul to soul, heart to heart. And until I see you again, I love you all. Bye.